Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and this is the second part of my course called the 5-step mixed voice system. In the previous video, we found this buzzing sound which the cry technique helped us to find. We used the cry technique to find this buzzing sound. In this video, we're going to deeply understand why we need this, and we're going to change the way you think of what the mixed voice is. I always hear from the students that I sing in my chest voice, then I sing in my head voice, then I sing in my chest voice. In this video, I want to change the way you think because we need to glue those two kinds of voices, the chest voice and your head voice. We're going to glue them together, to bond them. We need to build a bridge between them. From now, you have to think that this is one voice. There's no gap between them. We're going to erase this gap in your thinking, as the chest voice is the chest voice, head voice is the head voice. Now we're going to erase this gap to build a bridge between them. And to do this, I'll give you one simple exercise where we take this sound from the previous video, this buzzing and crying sound. We take G4 and one octave down, G3. Use this buzzing and crying sound. At first you can, try find this note in your head voice. Then recall this feeling, this buzzing sound, this ringing sound, like an insect in your nose. And using this sound, make a slide one octave down, like this. This is the right way to do this exercise. And this is how the wrong way sounds. Or this. Now, we need to stay in this ringing sound on the high note, and we have to reach this chesty sound on a low note. Without a break. If you hear a break and you can't get rid of this break, go back to the video 1. Okay? And the second exercise. You can combine them and do the first one and the second one, then the first one again, then the second one. So the second exercise is one of my favorites. It's called Mosquito. You're staying on one particular note. You're staying on the same note, and then you increase the tension and the weight of your vocal cords, and then you lighten your voice. Then you increase it again, then you lighten, and you do this. It sounds like a mosquito going to your ear and then going away, and then flying to your ear again, and then flying away again, and etc. We can do it one tone higher. Those two exercises help you blend your two types of voices together. Blend your chest voice and your head voice into one sound, one voice. You're building a bridge between your chest voice and your head voice. And you're building one sound from those two. And later, you have to master different amounts of chest and head. What I mean, for example, you're doing this. It's 10% chesty and 90% head voice. Then we go in the direction of your chest voice. Now it's 50-50. And you have to understand how to sound in the middle, half chest, half head voice. And then you go further. The last one feels like, I don't like this explanation, but it little bit feels like yelling into this sound, adding yell. It's not actually yelling. It's not like this. Like it's not like hey. It's not yelling in the way we think. It's just increasing the volume. Okay, increasing the air pressure also. So 90% head voice. Then we go further. 50-50. Even more chest, even more vocal cord closure. And then go back and forth, because we need to build all of those amounts of head and chest voice. And understand that there is no gap between your head voice and your chest voice. This is the main idea. This is the main idea of learning to sing with the mixed voice. If you forgot how to sound with this buzzing and yelling, ringing sound in your nose with this cry technique, go to the video 1, because we don't need this. We don't need this. So again, the first exercise. Is good. Is bad. The second exercise. In the both exercises, you need to use the cry technique as glue between your chest and head, as a bridge between your chest and head. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to open the sound and turn this NG sound into a vowel sound. Ah, at first we will start from ah sound. And one more thing. If you don't like this NG sound, you may try to do this with your vowel sound, ah, or something else, like you can also do this. And one more thing. Once you have learned how to do the slide from the higher note to the lower note, try to reverse them. Try to start from your lower note and go higher. And go back and forth. Thank you for watching. Write your questions. For individual lessons, feel free to contact me. Bye.